Hello, this is somebody else Ness here. Just want to test this camera thing. Where this is big. Is that right, narrator? It's big. That computer from the audio sucks. See, better check that narrator. That camera's so big that might not use this as a camera. Has a really bad radio. You can see it. Not see my face. Hold on. There you go. It looks better with a line on. Well, thanks for watching. See ya.